There's a quick little video here to show you the servicing of my clutch. So the motorcycle restoration is coming on nicely. I'm coming onto the clutch plates and removing this totally. So it comes with this is a CB Super Dream 250. The clutch plate has a center nut and then a washer in the back, and you have to be careful what way you put it on. There were some springs on there and nuts as well. So I'm basically removing this, and this is acting as a bit of a diary for me, just so that when I put it back together I remember how it's going in. And the little washer here is underneath on the main section, and the drum comes off like this. So I put that back just to show you what I did there. That drum goes in, it comes off, then the clutch plates go below. So these plates are, I don't know if it matters what order they go in, but I'll show you what order mines were in there. So the little drum holders on the back, and you've got the clutch plates here. So we've got the black plate, which is like the actual clutch plate, then you've got the steel plate, and then black, and then steel, and black and steel. And the smallest plate goes on the front, so the top of the full system as you look at it. And that's the back plate, which is like the bigger plate, thicker plate. So you'll see that there's 6 plates, and then the 7th one is a thin plate, and you can see the steel ones here in between. Just a good look at those. The clutch plates look in good condition, so I will give them a nice service and get them back into the motorcycle, so at least we can start moving along with this project. It's taken us a little bit of a while cleaning up all the plates and getting it all ready, but you know, as this is going and being filmed, it's actually taking like 2-3 times longer than it would normally do. So something you can do in a month is taking more like 2 months, because you're filming it, which is always interesting. So it's always good for you to see the journey, and also me, because what I like to do is I like to watch back and see what bits did well, what bits didn't do well. Oh yeah, if I need to service it, I remember I did that, and in that video, oh, did the back look okay, did the actual engine system, the mounting system, the clutch plates, as well as the chain shaft and the washers and everything. So overall, this is a short, quick update on the process of the clutch system, getting it kind of out, getting it cleaned, putting it back together, and then checking all the seals and also the lower engine. So we're going to be looking at getting the main section of the engine. I filmed it as a time lapse, so I will be doing a full 1 hour time lapse of the entire process of the three months in total, from start of buying it to actually getting it all back on the road, and that you will see as a special update. But for now, the clutch it was a nice easy job, to be honest. It was nothing too intense. As long as you've got all the tools, you can get them out, clean them up, and you can get them all back together. I'll be doing Facebook updates as I'm going, so you'll see me taking photographs of things. So definitely a nice little project, and we are getting back together soon.
If you're enjoying this series, make sure to subscribe so you actually get notifications directly to your phone each time I load a new episode. I've got loads of videos planned for this bike when we get it back on the road, so it'd be good to have you along on the journey with me. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video right here.